Hello, it's a beautiful day. Oh, hello? Oh, I didn't realize my friends were here. Hey, everybody, happy Friday. Hey, friends, can you help me sing the hello song? All right, let's do it. Uno, dos, tres. Hello, everybody. So glad to see you. Hello, Miss Sophia.
Hey.
So glad to see you. Hello to Miss Audie. Hi, so glad to see you. Hello to Wolfie. That's me. So glad to see you. Hello to... beautiful names. So glad to see you. Ooh, when I made that last noise, I felt such a vibration in my throat. I wonder why. Why did that sound make a vibration? And right now when I'm speaking, I don't feel it. I wonder if Miss Ari can help explain the science of sound. Oh, Miss Ari! Hey, everybody. Hello. Happy Friday. Well, I am so happy to see you all, to hear you all, to maybe dance with you all, sign with you all with our hands, our manos, and learn with you all. So if you are so ready, and if you can hear my voice, touch your nariz, your nose. Boop. Oh, they're ready. Hey friends, so today I also have my super dear friend, Miss Sophia. Hey, Miss Sophia, how are you?
Hola, hola.
She's going to be helping us because we are going to learn the science of sound. The science of sound, and we're going to have to travel for it. So I don't know if you have ever been to the continent of Africa, but today we're going. So friends, first I will need your ticket. So ticket please. Ding! All right, please take your seats. Now friends, join me as we travel the globe in search of Africa. I think Africa looks like this. Africa. Before we go, let's make sure we can all say it. Can we clap it? Africa. Can we tap it? Africa. Can we shake it? Africa. Beautiful. This is my super special African instrument that my friend Miss Sophia brought from Kenya. So, friends, let's travel to Africa. You're on the plane. You've boarded. Dun, 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 dun. My handy dandy globe. All right, friends. Ladies and gentlemen, please get ready to take off. We will be departing from the continent of North America, the city of Austin, and the state of Texas. This will be a one-way flight to Kenya, Africa. Count down with me, friends, in 3, 2, 1, take off. And we've landed in Kenya. Friends, do you see Kenya? Kenya. It's here. Kenya is in the west or east. Do you think it's west or east part of Africa? Yeah, it's the east part of Africa. Eastern Africa, where we find Kenya. So, let's get off the plane, friends, and let's go visit Africa. It looks almost like we have maybe an African lion coming. You know, friends, when we got off the plane in Kenya, we found some animals. First, we had the cheetah. The sign for cheetah is cheetah. Let's hear it. Are you friendly cheetahs? Are you fierce cheetahs? Cheetah, cheetah, cheetah. We also found an elephant. Let's see those trunks, the sign for elephant. Maybe your elephant makes some noise? I don't know, my elephant is quite musical. And we found some giraffes. The sign for giraffe is this. Giraffe, giraffe. We also, what's that over there? It's a lion. This is the sign for lion. Lion. And also there's a snake. There's some snakes in Kenya. This is the sign for snake. And, there's also some really, really big animals that are gray. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Yeah. So friends, I would love to know if we can learn a song that Miss Sophia taught me. It's a chant from Kenya, because I want to know what we hear when we sing this chant, and if it sounds, if it sounds happy, if it sounds sad, if it sounds fun, if it sounds silly. I don't know. I want to know what it sounds like to you. So Miss Sophia, would you like to help our friends learn this chant from Kenya?
Claro que sí.
Okay.
¿Lista, mi Sari?
Lista. So this is called a call and response. Miss Sophia will do the call, and you, all my friends, and myself will do the response. So when Miss Sophia says the first word, then when we respond, we go like this. Like it's passing it to us, to the response. All right, Miss Sophia.
All right. Here we go. Jambo.
Jambo.
Jambo sana jambo.
Jambo sana jambo.
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 Jambo watoto jambo.
Jambo watoto jambo. Ah, lovely. You know what, friends? Jambo means hello in Swahili. Jambo watoto. Watoto means children. That's all of you. Jambo watoto. Well, you know what, Miss Sophia? I'm so curious as to why, when I sang, I felt a little vibration in my throat. Friends, did you feel your throat vibrating? Did you notice it? Yeah, I want to learn about it. Do you guys want to learn about why our throats vibrate and what actually sound is? All right, that's great. Follow me down here to the science of sound. What is sound? Sound is a type of energy made by vibrations. So if you close your mouth right now and you make a sound like do you feel anything moving in your throat? What about if you do like the horse lips? Do you feel your lips moving, vibrating? Maybe that's a more tangible feeling. I don't know. That's sound though. It's a type of energy made by vibrations. The vibrations send waves of energy, and they travel through air or water or solid objects into our mouth. No. Into our nose. No. Into our eyes? No. how do we hear the sound? How do we hear those vibrations? Oh, with our ears, of course. So guess what, guys? There are two types of waves that we see, or rather we hear. There's a low frequency, so this is a more gentle sound. This is maybe when you're whispering, or it's not a super fast sound. It's low and slow, I like to say. Low frequency. And the wave, it's more relaxed. So the air molecules, because sound travels through the air, right? And then the molecules hit each other. And if they hit each other faster, then it gets louder, or the sound gets higher. High frequency. The sound wave is going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. There's a lot of movement with this one. So friends, to test it out, I would like to show you, I have a coffee can here that's made of metal, and I have a rubber band. So you take the rubber band and you put it around the coffee can like so, and then this is going to be like the string of a guitar. So I'm just going to play it, and if you close your eyes, listen and see what you hear. The sound is traveling down. It's hitting against the walls of the coffee can, and it can't escape because there's a bottom. So then it hits against the bottom and it comes back up, creating that sound. It's pretty fast. So, friends, I would love for you all to experiment with different sounds that you can make. Explore if you go more gentle, if that makes a different sound, or if you go faster or louder, or you experiment with different textures. Like you can also make a rain stick with maybe a toilet paper roll, or what's that? A paper towel roll. You can cover it so the sound doesn't escape and the sound will bounce against it. I used aluminum foil, and then I'm just gonna pick whatever I see in my pantry. I have some pumpkin seeds here. They're dry, and I'm gonna fill it up maybe halfway, and then I'll just cover it. I'll cover it, and then this will be my rain stick. So, since I don't have the cover, even if I just go like this, I can shake it, I can bounce it. You are your own rain stick maker. You're your own scientist. You can listen and see and listen to what you hear. I don't know. Experiment with what you put in your rainmaker. Maybe you don't cover the top, so you can change out what you're going to put in it. Like maybe I put in, what do I have? Maybe I put in this glass marble. Let's see. Let's see if it will make noise. It makes a very different noise, right? Because it's quite solid. It's quite dense. It weighs a lot more than these pumpkin seeds. So, friends, I would love to see all your rain sticks and maybe sing one more song with you all before we say our goodbyes. So, if you are ready, please tune up your voices and we can tune them up with a super special phrase. We can call it a phrase. So if you take your hands, you put them here. Maybe you can close your eyes and really tune in with the vibration that's going to come out. So the word we're going to say is Om. Here we go. Deep breath in and Om. I felt all of my lips vibrating. The air wasn't escaping, so the sound wasn't traveling out of my lips. All right, friends. Miss Sophia, can we end singing Jambo, please?
Claro que sí.
Let's practice it one more time.
Vale, vale.
¿Listos? Sí.
Jambo.
Jumbo.
Jambo sana, jambo.
Jumbo sana, jumbo.
Jambo.
Jumbo.
Jambo watoto, jambo.
Jumbo watoto, jumbo. Hey friends, today was so much fun. Thank you for joining me. Let me go see if my friend Wolfie would like to say goodbye. Wolfie, your friends want to know if you would like to say goodbye. Oh, I would love to say goodbye to my friends. Hi friends, or should I say goodbye friends? Hey friends, you ready? Uno, dos, tres. Boom, boom, boom. Adiós, adiós. Hasta luego, adiós. Puedo aplaudir. Puedo zapatear. Puedo aplaudir. Puedo zapatear. Boom, boom.